guess I'm stuck forever by the glue. Oh, and you.
Everyone, hi. So now we are off to farmers market. We have been going quite a lot. This one is in Victoria Park. It happens every Sunday, and you get fresh produce. Even the food is so good over there. This is like one of the things that we look forward to most of the Sundays whenever the sun is out. It looks like today it's out and about, so let's just go.
Oh, tiramisu.
Lekker mais.
Do you want chimichurri? No. Do you want chimichurri? No. Abhishek, do you want chimichurri?
Yes.
I'm gonna take chicken one. Chicken. They have spinach and mozzarella also. Yeah, can we get 2 of chicken?
2 chicken?
And then 1 chimichurri, small one too.
Don't you seafood on?
Yes. Okay,
Just
thank you.
Thank you. हमें 10 मिल गए हमारे यहाँ पे बैठ
Sure. It looks so good whenever I'm nearby a water bodies. It calms your mind a lot. Yeah, market isn't that busy as it's supposed to, but I'm good that I could stock up few things that was required. They have a lot of options when it comes to this farmer markets. Yes, you have those food stalls and you get a fresh food, but at the same time, it gives you different varieties. We just had Argentina empanadas, I think that's what you call. But I was mainly here for chimichurri sauce because I like to have over toast, sourdough, anything basically. And I tried multiple times preparing it myself, but couldn't get close to it. So this is the reason I love to come here and get the stock up as well. I got fresh kimchi too. show you as well. I couldn't get any fresh produce today. I feel that season is yet to come. Basically, I'm looking for fresh Spanish tomatoes that we can eat. Oh, this is yours. What do you do when it's raining horribly? You go to a coffee shop and have a pastry. Hi everybody from a very gloomy, dark, raining, wet weather. It's been like that since quite a while. And now I'm in a phase where I don't know what to do. I can't even go outside and have a proper walk. So I'm just spending most of my evenings and, in fact, days inside reading. I want to talk about this dessert, which I'm having as a snacks. It's such a good thing because it 20 grams protein straight away. It's called as Japanese cheesecake, at least in the social media. But because I'm trying to have my protein from whole foods now, instead of those protein powders, protein yogurt, protein shakes. Okay, enough about the snack. I'm reading this book. It's called Empire of AI. So far, not even half of the book. It's quite thick as well. It feels like those research theses on modern AI. One of my colleagues, he recommended this and I'm loving it. So fun. Alright, so in January, I started January during that off period because there was any new book that I wanted to have, so I just picked out anything which was on my shelf, and I read These Days with Mori. In that one, I think it's one of those books which will stay with me for a long period. After that, I started reading Flesh by David Zasley. It's also the book that won a Booker Prize of 2025. I know it had a mixed review, but it's not something for me. I didn't even like it. I was in the queue like 32 in my local library and I couldn't wait, so I just bought it off Amazon. I read it, didn't like it, then sold it on Vinted. And the third one, as I spoke even in the last video, Bethnal Green, quite good one. I loved it. A nurse who comes to UK as an immigrant, settled her life, and also on the two different worlds that has lived. Then I read Educated by Tara Westover. Oh my god, it's a memoir, but it doesn't feel like a memoir. For me, it was like more of a frictional because it made me so angry and sad, and also how education, society, these things play such a vital part in one's upbringing, and if you remove those things, what can happen? I think this is a book that will stay with me for a very long period. I loved it. So let me know what you're reading.